Assalamu alaikum. Next is the tunicate heart. First of all, I am going to discuss what is the location of the tunicate heart. Tunicate heart lies at the base of the pharynx. Pharynx is the largest part of the body in case of tunicates. Now there are two vessels. These vessels run from the heart. One run anteriorly under the endostyle, anteriorly toward the front end of the body under the endostyle, and another second one vessel runs posteriorly, and it provides blood to the digestive organs and the gonads. Blood flow through the heart is not unidirectional. Peristaltic contractions of heart may propel blood in one direction for a few beats, then the direction is the reverse. जब पेरिस्टालिटिक कंट्रैक्शंस होती हैं तो उसकी वजह से ब्लड चंद बीट्स तक एक जो डायरेक्शन है उसमें बहता है, लेकिन उसके बाद ब्लड की डायरेक्शन रिवर्स हो जाती है या उलट हो जाती है, और अभी तक हमें इसका ये जो ब्लड डायरेक्शन रिवर्स हो रही है इसका एडवांटेज हमें मालूम नहीं है. This is the phylum, subphylum Urochordata. Examples and diagrams are shown here. Figure A shows the member of the class Appendicularia. They are planktonic, free-living, and have a tail and a notochord that persist into the adult stage. इनके पास notochord मौजूद है और इनके पास tail भी मौजूद है. ये इनके adult stage तक persist करती है. Ochio labradorensis is shown here. ये जो ऑर्गेनिज्म इसका नाम क्या है? Ochio labradorensis. सेकेंड जो आपके पास बी डायग्राम है ये वाली, इसके अंदर आपको थैलेसियंस या सेल्फ शो है. ये बैरल शेप है, इनकी शेप ये देखें बैरल शेप है. Planktonic urochordates, oral and atrial siphon are at opposite end of the body. इनका oral siphon जिससे ये वाटर लेते हैं और जो atrial siphon है जिससे वाटर बॉडी से रिलीज होता है, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के opposite end पे होंगे. And the muscles of the body wall contract to create a form of weak jet propulsion. Jet propulsion is a type of motion. ये mostly आपको jellyfishes के अंदर नज़र आती है. ये sudden escape में यूज़ होती है जब बॉडी से वाटर सडनली निकाला जाता है. तो जैसे जेट बहुत फास्ट मूव करता है ना, इसी तरह से एनिमल्स मूव करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे इनके पास वीक जेट प्रोपेलियन मूवमेंट है. और ये जो एनिमल है इसका नाम क्या है? साइक्लोसेल्पा. दिस इज शोन इन द पैराग्राफ. ट्यूनिकेट ब्लड प्लाज्मा इज कलरलेस. ब्लड प्लाज्मा आपको यहाँ पे कलरलेस मिलेगा और उसके अंदर कई किस्म के आपको अमीबाइड सेल्स मिलेंगे. अब डेफिनेटली दिस एनिमल्स आर स्मॉलर इन साइज एंड दे लिव इन द वाटर, सो अमोनिया डिफ्यूजेस थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ द डिफ्यूजन. In addition, amoeboid cells which are present in the plasma. What is the function of the amoeboid cells in blood plasma? They accumulate uric acid and sequesters. Sequesters means accumulate in the intestinal loop, and definitely intestinal loop is then responsible for the release of uric acid from the body. Pyloric glands, these are present on the outside of the intestine, are also thought to have excretory function. अभी इनका हमें एग्जैक्ट फंक्शन मालूम नहीं है. हम सोचते हैं कि इनका फंक्शन होगा excretory in nature. Alright, reproduction and development. Animals are monoecious. Both sexes are present in the same individual. What is the location of the gonads? The gonads are present just near the loop of the intestine, and genital ducts open near the atrial siphon. Gametes may be shed through the atrial siphon for the external fertilization. Now, external fertilization occur in these animals, or eggs sometimes retained in the atrium for fertilization and early development. Although sometimes self-fertilization occur, but mostly cross-fertilization is the rule. Larvae of the tunicates is known as tadpole-like larvae. This is most important from objective point of view. Metamorphosis converts free-living larvae into the adult one. Then larvae attach to the substrate through adhesive papillae, and these are located just below the mouth. During metamorphosis, the outer epidermis shrinks and pulls the notochord and the other tail structure internally. For the reorganization into the adult tissue, the internal structures rotate 180 degree, positioning the oral siphon opposite the adhesive papillae and bending the digestive tract into the U shape. This will clearly visible in the diagram. This is the diagram of the tunicate. This is the oral siphon, and this is the atrial siphon. Through oral siphon, water moves into the body, and through atrial siphon, water moves outside the body. This is the largest chamber of the body, known as atrium. Okay, next, this is the endostyle. These are the ventral stigma. Okay, and this white color structure is the gonad, and this gonad is located just below the loop of the intestine. This red color structure shown here is the heart, and this is the stomach, this is the intestine, and this is the anus. Now you can see easily that after the attainment of the adult structure, all internal structures moves to 180 degree, and oral siphon is just opposite to the adhesive structures, and these structures are then organized into the U shape. When they are organized into U shape, so this is the end of the subphylum. Okay, thank you.